For some patients, they do need all of their teeth replaced with implants, but they don't want to take their teeth in and out. Now for that, I suggest an implant bridge. Unlike an implant denture, which the patient takes in and out to clean, an implant bridge is permanently cemented. The implant bridge is held on by multiple implants, and then you permanently cement the teeth over top. They look and function just like natural teeth, and these are the closest that you can have to the natural teeth that you used to have. The implant bridge does not come out. It is removed only by the dentist. Now these look and function the most like your natural teeth. These don't come in and out, and you can eat pretty much everything with these. The implant bridge is your permanent solution to replace all of your missing teeth.